This Black Friday is going to be filled with loads of deals on table for gaming, from high profile games to next generation accessories and consoles, and many more deals for PC accessories as well. Hey folks, Alvin Alexa here, and in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you the best Black Friday gaming deals that you can get right now. And if that sounds interesting, let's get right into it. By the way, before we go any further, all I'm begging you this Black Friday is don't overthink it. Keep calm. If you're a gamer, you already know what you want and what you love and the equipment that you need. And right now you can snag a Blade Hawks RGB gaming headphone stand that has 2 ports for just $26. I mean, this deal is for real, and if you're tired of having a messy desk, feel comfortable to grab one of these, as this will allow your headphones sit comfortably on the stand. And what I love about this is that it comes with RGB chrome light, which looks beautiful. Now, if you want to buy any product that I'm gonna be sharing here, please make sure to check out the description, as I'm gonna be sharing the discounted links of the products in the description. What if you're in the market for a laptop that delivers extreme performance? I bet you like the Acer Predator Helios 300. This has the power and the speed that you like. It has an 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor featuring 8 cores and 16 threads. It also features the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics that will hope to deliver the best gaming performance in collaborations with the Ampere architecture and the new ray tracing cores, Tensor cores, and streaming mode processors. I mean, this is a beast. Trust me, you love the 15.6-inch LED backlit Full HD display. The refresh rate is incredibly fast at 144 Hz and 3 milliseconds overdrive response time. I mean, what is that? It is really incredibly fast. This has also an Ethernet port and Wi-Fi connectivity support, so you can use them both at the same time if you want. There are 89 blades designed to increase the air intake. It cools easily. Normally this laptop would cost you around $1,299, but right now you can get it at just $1,144, which is an incredible deal. But if you're in the market for something that is bigger, I've got you covered. The Acer Nitro 5 gives you a bigger screen and it is visually intense. This also has an Intel Core i7 processor with cores that deliver unmatched performance. The LED backlit IPS display has a resolution which is so good and crystal clear, and it delivers really crystal clear pictures. As you can see, you can instantly visualize the laptop's cooling temperature, fan speed, loading performance, power plan, and more. The 16:9 aspect ratio is friendly for gaming, as you can see it. This holds 16 GB of RAM, which is pretty much enough to run any game that you want, from Call of Duty, Vanguard, to anything that you'd love to play on this. Also, it offers you plenty of storage, of course. Now, typically this is $1,199 at retail, but right now you can get it at $1,059 only. But if this is not the laptop you want and you don't want to spend that much, you can choose the Acer AN515, and this one also is on sale. The display is 15.6-inch, and with the power of 8 GB RAM, it boasts a 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor, meaning it is packed with power. really powerful enough to run any game that you like. Also, it has features from the previous two laptops also included. I mean, this is a really good PC, as you can see it. Now this is down to only $739, and remember, these deals are really like only for Black Friday, so if you don't hurry enough, you might find the prices changing a little bit. Now, for those of you who are on the market for the PS5 and Xbox Series X deals, I mean, you'll be disappointed. The consoles are really selling out fast, and don't expect any discounts at all on the consoles since they sell out so fast. And for the Nintendo Switch bundles too, there are some good deals also. Make sure to subscribe and also click like on this video for support. So also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified. So as soon as the PS5 and the Xbox Series X are restocked at Amazon or eBay or Target, I'll be the first to notify you guys. So don't forget to subscribe. But that doesn't bring down like to the end of the deals, because there are plenty of video game deals for PS5. Now you can get the Deathloop, which is a new title, at only $39, and this game retails at $59. I mean, getting such a big discount on such a recent game is a good thing, and it is at the best of times. And if you don't know Deathloop, trust me, Deathloop has earned a lot of love from critics and fans. Trust me, this makes the discount a standout and also like a very good gaming deal for you. And going to another deals, I have Far Cry 6 for PS5, which features like Ubisoft's like franchises beta villains. Trust me, you will be impressed. I really love this game. I played it like at a game station. Trust me, I'm buying it home also, and right now you can get it at $49, saving you $10 from its cost price of $59. I mean, that sounds like a great deal for me. I know $10 less, but it is pretty good as the results like you get, trust me. Also, another deal that I really loved about like this Black Friday is that Assassin's Creed Valhalla for PS5 is at $29, and that is a 50% off its list price of $59. I mean, if you missed last year's like Black Friday when the game dropped, you can get it right now at $29, which sounds like a great deal for me. At this fraction of price, I mean, that is really good for you. Now that's it in today's video, and please make sure to check out the description for product links and also other deals on my website. Link is gonna be in the description also. And if you have any question, let me know what you think about this video in the comments. And also make sure to click a thumbs up for support, and also subscribe, turn on the notification bells for more Black Friday deals. I've got to let you go. See you in my next video. Peace out.